Andrew Holness's Broken Promises Exposed, 2016 to 2025. Nearly a decade ago, Andrew Holness promised Jamaicans sweeping reforms, from digital IDs to better housing, jobs for youth, and even a move toward a republic. But in 2025, how many of those promises have really been delivered? Some promises were delayed, some were partially implemented, and some never came at all. Today, we're breaking down the biggest pledges Holness made in 2016 and revealing what still hasn't been delivered. Holness pledged to set fixed election dates and introduce term limits for the Prime Minister. 9 years later, these reforms are still under consideration. Elections continue as usual, with no legal changes enacted. The National Identification System promised a modern digital ID. The first rollout was struck down by the Supreme Court in 2019. Today, a revised version is being slowly rolled out, but public resistance and delays persist. Holness also promised public listings of state assets like UDC, FCJ, and NWC. While consultations happened, none of these major listings were completed. Many Jamaicans are still waiting to see the promised economic reforms. Affordable housing was another key promise. The National Housing Trust announced long-term mortgages for families, but the nationwide rollout of 50 to 60-year intergenerational mortgages never fully materialized. Job creation programs for youth were launched, but only in small pilot phases. Large-scale apprenticeships and employment targets remain unfulfilled, leaving many young Jamaicans questioning the pace of change. The Republic Bill of 2024 marked a movement toward a republic, but full constitutional reform is still ongoing. Holness promised swift change. The process continues in Parliament. The promises of 2016 highlight one thing: accountability matters. As the voters of tomorrow, your choices define the future. Stay informed, stay engaged, and never underestimate the power of your vote.